The marquee is looking pretty good, but the starburst isn't terribly noticeable. You'll use the corner pin effect to distort it over time and draw attention to it. Go to 4 seconds. In the timeline panel, click the solo switch for both the show title and starburst layers. Soloing the layers isolates them to speed animating, previewing, and rendering. Select the starburst layer in the timeline panel, and then choose Effect, Distort, Corner Pin. Small circles appear around the corner points of the starburst layer in the composition panel. You'll start by creating initial keyframes at their current locations. In the Effect Controls panel, click the stopwatch icon next to each of the pins. Upper left, upper right, lower left, and lower right. This will set their initial keyframes. Go to 6 seconds. Drag each of the 4 corner pin handles outward. With the corner pin tool, you can move each handle a different amount. Notice that the X and Y coordinates update in the Effect Controls panel, and After Effects adds keyframes. Instead of dragging the handles, you can manually enter the values we will show here. For the upper left, set it to -63 and 49. For upper right, 596 and 70. For the lower left, -84 and 575. And for the lower right, 583 and 561. Go to 8 seconds, and then drag the corner pin handle so the text is tilted at an angle. Your corner pin location should be similar to those that you'll see here, and After Effects will add the keyframes. For the up left, we will set it to -152.5 and 103.4. For the upper right, 540 and -43.6. For the lower left, 136.1 and 653.6. For the lower right, 654.3 and 484.8. Press the Home key or move the current time indicator to the beginning of the time ruler. Press the spacebar to preview the animation, and when you're done, press the spacebar again. Click the solo switches for the show title and starburst layers to restore the view of the other layers. Go to 0 seconds and press the spacebar to preview the entire animation, including the corner pin effect. And when you're done, press the spacebar again. And then choose File and Save to save your project.